this is my first time ordering from this company, so I don't hear about it that often, but they pretty much have some nice quality products that I see. I'm not sure I know how to really pronounce this name. Johens, something like that. Johens. Close, but not sure if it's correct. But I'm gonna go ahead and open this package, show y'all guys what's in here. This is how it comes sealed up. I guess it depends on how much you order. I mean, it's like taped up the whole box with tape. So they say it's fragile, so I guess they don't want it to be beat up. So that's probably why they did that. But let's see how I'm gonna get this box open when I tell you they taped the box up. Okay? This is actually the first time I ever seen this done, which I'm sure it's a purpose why they did it, because who would take the time to do this if it wasn't important? Okay, it didn't take long to come in, and they're out of California. They have a pretty little website all about nails. They sell pretty much everything from gels, acrylics, forms. Okay, I am literally tearing this box up. So I think I got the right side up. Ooh. And I think I do. Get in there, get in there. I want to see. And another package. Well, I say, there that logo is. There their logo is. Very pretty. Pretty logo. When I tell you it looks fancy, it looks fancy. Okay, they also gave me a card. Zoom on in so y'all can see this. Very pretty card, very pretty. This is a nice card. Give you their social media. Dear artists, nice touch. They say we will have tutorials for our products so that you know exactly how the products can be used for. All of our products are one of a kind and made exclusively by Johens. I think it's Johens. Package and label with our quality seal. And you can tell that once you look on their website, you can tell that they make their products, they package their own products. You can tell that they have that uniqueness about them, their originality, you know, original touch that that website has. So you can tell that they take pride in their name. Okay, also they give me a card. Okay, they give me a 20% discount code. That's from August to November. That's the website there. One time use only. Please enter the correct coupon code before proceeding to check out. Now, you know I'm going to have to blur that out because they're going to sit there and tell me one time use only. Lord have mercy, I exposed this code on here. Everybody going to try to use it. I ain't going to be the first one to use it. But yeah, that was so nice of them. Johens giveaway time extra bonus. Oh, this is their giveaway. This is their Johens giveaway time extra bonus. So this is their giveaway. They 20% off my purchase. Oh, this is very nice, and it is something that I wanted on there, but you know I had a budget. Oh, I'm gonna have to keep that. Oh my goodness, that was wonderful. Look at they seal. Oh Lord, they got a seal on here. Look at that seal. Okay, let me stop. Let me go ahead and look at these products I have in here. Okay, I don't think I bought this. This is a gift. I didn't buy this. I didn't buy too many things from them. I bought 3 things, so I got a gift. And the gift was these caviar beads. And you know what? I think I don't have this color. Giveaway time extra bonus. Oh, so that's how they say it, huh? When they give you something, they let you know it's a giveaway. Thank you. Look at this jar. The jar is even pretty, y'all. Look at this jar. Petite Pearly, number 5. It's filled up to the rim. Oh, do they have like a little tape somewhere around here? No. If I can try to open it. Okay, there it goes. These are some pearlies. I wonder if they bleed. Oh my God, they got this filled up to the rim. Look at that. That is so pretty. Let me feel them. Oh, they hard little beads too. But you never know. They'll probably bleed. I don't even have a color like this. Static electricity going on in there. Oh Lord, they got some stuck in the that rim part. Let me get that. Okay. Oh, it is filled to the rim, guys. My God. Let's take that out of it. Okay, I bought some kawaii shells. This is number 15. Oh, they're very thin. Now this is pretty. They have some other colors that you know what I want to get too. I think they had 2 more other colors. I think it was. Now their website is not overwhelming. It's like you're not gonna be on there all day flipping through pages. Very simple, very organized. That's sold on their website, but they have a generous amount. I mean, when I tell you these little things are so thin, they're not thick at all. They will lay very good in acrylics or gel. Very nice. They're not thick at all. Look, you see, look at that. Very thin. Ooh, this is pretty. I'm going to have to get those other 2 colors. That's why I wanted to see how thin it was before I get those other 2 colors. This like a test purchase. You buy one product, even though they have different colors. You buy one and see if you like that one, and then you go back and get it. The only thing is that the shipping and everything. You have to. I think it's like if you over $100. I think it was between $70 and $100. I'm not sure. Okay, I wanted to try this. I'm always looking for some type of gem adhesive. And this is their gym gel, no wipe, soak off gel, gym gel. And oh, they had a seal on there, I just broke it. And it is really not that thick. This was kind of pricey. This was $18.75. So they had the directions on how to use every product on their website. So I'm gonna have to go back and check and see how to use this. But it is really, it's not that thick at all. I think on their website they say you can hold 3D embellishments with this. So I'm gonna test this out and see if it does. Okay, last thing that I really wanted is why I really ordered some stuff from them was this right here. This is a Supreme Bond base gel. Now, this gel right here you can use like a adhesive protein bond for your gels, for your, and this basically is a Supreme Bond base gel which you use for if you want to use this instead of a primer. It's a gel base. It is LAD and UV cure. Made in the US. And this little tag here on their products, it's just, ooh, that's, I can't hardly bring it up that close, huh? It's very much, can't see. But what this seal is, it's a guarantee, like a quality control guarantee sticker, meaning that it passed regulations to sell this product. Supreme Base Bond. Yeah, let's see how thick it is. It's not thick at all. That's a good thing. It is not thick. Not thick at all. See how fast that dropped down? So I'm going to see how this works. I even like the style of this bottle. Very pretty chrome look to this bottle. Alright guys, that was just a little haul. I just want to introduce that company on my YouTube channel. Some of the things that I will try out basically on my channel will be all of these I will feature in another video. Test them out, see how I like them, and show y'all as well. Yeah, go ahead over there and check out that nice website. They have a very nice website. So yeah, but you know what? These are gorgeous. Thank you, Johens, for my free giveaway gift and my 20% off coupon. I will be using it gratefully. Very grateful that you gave me that. Okay. Alright, y'all. That's all for my little haul. Until next time, y'all have a smiley day. Bye.